What's good, YouTube? It's your girl, Ange. I am back with another video. If you're new, hit the subscribe button by turning that notification by hitting that bell. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Please give a big thumbs up. Lego, as you guys can read by the title. Don't forget to follow me all on my social media. The link is down in the description down below. I hope you all have an amazing and safe day. Guys, today I'm about to do a productive video. That's what I'm about to do today. Let's jump right into the video.
Minutes later. herself to supporting the community. She involved herself in the National Technical Association, as well as mentoring middle and high school students, NSVE Junior Sony Pool, and first level teams. Additionally, she serves on the board of Many Helps, a patient advocacy group. Though Coleman is involved in lots of organizations, she chooses to work quietly in the background to accomplish her goals. Coleman earned her Bachelor's of Science degree from Xavier University.
A few minutes later.
You see it? Okay. Oh, that quarterback did that?
No, I'm talking about you had last year.
Oh. You did pretty good though, Dan.
Yeah, we did decent.
You did way better than that line. That's scary, man.
Oh, hell no!
He charged me twice.
You better go.
Boy, ain't no fucking way, boy. Boy, ain't no fucking way, boy. Boy, ain't no way.
Hey, what's up? What's good, y'all? What's good? Y'all, how about the guy in Walmart charged my boyfriend twice on soap. He had to go check that. He had to go back inside the store, y'all. They charge them 2 times. Yep. I don't know why people do stuff like that. They're trying to cheat you. You know what I'm saying? I don't understand why people do that. Damn! Yeah, they charge him 2 times on soap. The soap was like $3.97. I think, no. Was it $3.97 or $4.97? Something like that. But they charge him twice, y'all. Yeah, people would get over you, honey, if you let them. That's why you have to always check your bags when you get ready to come out them store, because people would cheat you in a blink of an eye. Just like when you get ready to go to McDonald's, anyway, in the fast food, you make that order and they be putting the wrong order in your bag. They sure did. They sure will. That's why I say always check your stuff, y'all, cause people would get over you. They sure will. Yeah, you gotta be careful, honey. Yeah. I hope you guys having a wonderful day and staying safe. Yeah, people will get over you, honey. You gotta be very careful. You gotta pay attention. Pay attention. They also like charging people $1. They also charging people $1.50 for what 911 fee or something like that in Walmart. Yeah, they charging people that. Sure is. They must just start doing that. They start charging people that $1.50 for 911 fee. Yeah. They always they forever charging people. They forever charging folks. You know what I'm saying? It feel cool out the door, y'all, today. It sure is. The sun ain't even came out here. It still feel kind of cool. Yeah. That don't make no sense. People driving their car with the loud beep, boom, boom like that in their car. Mess around, mess up doggone car like that, huh? People don't care, y'all.
Nope.
They don't. That don't make no sense. It ain't no music. It's just boom, 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 boom like that, boom, boom like that. That is real crazy, y'all. Damn! Yeah. Mess around, mess your doggone car up like that. It don't be no music or nothing like that. It's just boom, 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 boom like that. It's super loud. Like the bass or something be coming out the car. I'm like, what?
Oh, hell no!
Sound terrible. Yeah, I just can't believe that. I just can't believe that doggone that cashier is gonna charge my boyfriend twice on that soap, y'all. I'm glad he looked at his receipt, y'all, before we even like left the store. That don't make sense though. You trying to cheat people like that.
Nope.
That's why I said it's important to learn how to read, y'all. If you don't know how to read and write, people would get over you, honey. they would get over you. They figure you don't know no better. You know what I'm saying? Because ain't nobody gonna get over me. Period. Period. Ain't nobody gonna get over me, honey. That's why it's important to learn how to read and write. They got a lot of people right now that don't know how to read or write.
Nope.
They don't. He back, y'all. Yeah, they ran him twice, y'all.
A few minutes later.
This
Thank you for choosing Zaxby. Would you like to try another fry today?
No.
You can order whenever you're ready.
One, two.
Number one, Big Dad snack. What would you like for the drink?
Sprite soda.
I'm sorry, what was that?
Sprite.
Sprite. Okay.
Okay. Let me have the same thing, and let me have
number one.
and let me have Sprite go with that.
Sprite as well.
Yes.
All right. Anything else?
And let me get the chocolate chip cookies.
3-pack.
Yes.
All right. Anything else?
Hello, you got 2 weeks less tax and cookies.
Uh-huh.
All right, your total gonna be $22.43.
What is Sprite soda good, guys? Boy, I also thought on Thursday. Oh, Thursday, y'all. Oh, excuse me. Oh, the Sprite soda good and cold. Oh my God. I love Zaxby, y'all. I love some damn Zaxby. Don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.